Good afternoon. Today we will learn Hindi and English language or English and Hindi language. So see the letter. I am writing the letter. You draw like this. This is the first letter of Hindi vowel, that is A. Again I am trying to write. I am taking this color. I am trying to write. You can make this, you can draw this like a half and circle. After that you draw again half and circle, and again this, and after that you can draw this. After that draw this. This is A. A for, in Hindi I am saying A for Amrud. English to Hindi, A for Amrud. A for Amrud. Again I am writing. How we can write A? See this. First you draw half a circle. Then you draw again half and circle. And from this you draw a line after a vertical line, after horizontal, small horizontal line. This is A. Again try to write. Half and circle. This is A. So we understand how we write A. So in Hindi A for Amrud. A for Amrud. या A से अमरूद. A से अमरूद. This is the first letter of vowel letter of Hindi. This is the first vowel letter of Hindi, A. In English, A can be write as again I am writing. See this. A. A pronounced as A in English. This can be written as A, small letter of A. This can also written as A. Again you can write A. So see, the first vowel letter of Hindi A can be pronounced, can be write as A. 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 Only A. This letter. Now see the picture of Amrud. This is the picture of Amrud. A for Amrud. A for Amrud. Again we will see the English meaning of Amrud is Gavava. The English meaning of Amrud is Gavava. G U A V V A. This is the Gavava. And in Hindi we can write this Amrud try to write this A Ma Du Da. This is the Amrud. But the three letter about this three letter we will learn about later. First we learn about this. We have to concentrate about A. A means A for Amrud. The Amrud, the English meaning of Amrud is Gavava. A for Amrud, the English meaning of Amrud is Gavava. So today we have learned to write A like this. Like this. This is A. Okay. Now in next episode we will learn about the health benefit of Gavava fruits. What is the benefit of Gavava fruit? This we'll learn in next episode. So thank you. Okay, bye. See you.